In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your Notion data quickly and in just a few seconds. Backing up your data is an essential routine to ensure you never lose important information, and doing so in Notion is extremely straightforward. I'm here to guide you through it step by step so that you can have peace of mind knowing your data is secure. So, let's dive in. First, you'll want to open up Notion and navigate to the specific page you want to back up. This could be your personal dashboard, a project plan, or any content you've built on Notion. This is where we'll begin the process, so make sure you're on the exact page you desire to save. Once you arrive at the page you'd like to back up, the next step involves locating the infamous three dots, more commonly known as the Options menu. This is generally found in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. Clicking on these three dots will reveal a drop-down menu with several options for managing your Notion page. This menu acts as your gateway to a variety of actions, including exporting your data. Now, let's move to the drop-down menu, specifically looking for the Export option. This is what empowers you to back up your Notion data swiftly. By selecting Export, you're essentially telling Notion that you'd like to generate a copy of the page's content, setting the stage for the next steps in securing your information. Upon clicking Export, a new window will appear, presenting you with choices on how you prefer to download your information. Typically, you'll have options such as exporting it in PDF or HTML formats. Depending on your future intentions with the data, choose accordingly. Most find exporting as a PDF remarkably useful, as it's universally accessible and relatively secure. Make your selection based on what suits your needs best in this scenario. Once you've reviewed your choices and ensured everything looks good, go ahead and hit Export again. This will initiate the process of Notion preparing your file for download. Depending on the size of the page and your internet speed, this could take anywhere from a few seconds to a minute. It's impressive how rapidly such an important task can be accomplished, isn't it? And there you have it. The download will begin automatically, delivering a copy of your Notion data right to your device, providing you with an extra layer of reassurance. With just a few simple clicks, you've successfully created a backup and can now rest easy knowing you have a reliable copy of your work. This entire process showcases why Notion is favored by many. Its user-friendly interface makes data security unbelievably simple. Be sure to implement this backup method regularly to stay organized and ensure that your valuable content is always safe and ready for use.